Before you drop your cash on the first camera you see on Amazon, stop. I tested 5 of the best-selling digital cameras on Amazon right now, and one of them is a total waste of money, while another completely surprised me. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which one to buy.
Camera 5, JDZ 4K Digital. The JDZ is a budget pick built for beginners and teens. It shoots 4K UHD video and 48 megapixel photos through a dual camera setup, front and back, with 16x digital zoom, autofocus, and anti-shake. The 2.8-inch LCD screen keeps things simple, and the compact body makes it easy to toss in a bag for travel. It ships with a 32GB memory card, USB cable, wrist strap, storage pouch, cleaning cloth, and a 1-year warranty. Ready to use out of the box. Pros: super affordable, beginner-friendly, dual lenses. Cons: image quality can't compete with a modern smartphone in low light, and it's better suited as a first camera than a serious tool. Camera 4, Camkory Digital Camera FHD 1080p. Camkory is aimed squarely at kids and first-time users. It records FHD 1080p video and 44 megapixel photos with a basic CMOS sensor and 0 manual settings. Just point and shoot. It's small enough to fit in a pocket, and the 2 included batteries can last up to a month of light use, thanks to an auto shutoff feature. The interface is simple enough for a 5 to 13-year-old to figure out on their own, and it comes with a 32GB card. Pros: the cheapest option on this list. Pocket-sized, long battery life, fun retro look. Cons: photos can come out a bit grainy, and the flash tends to overexpose some shots. Camera 3, 5K digital cameras, 80 megapixel Wi-Fi, 18x zoom. This one steps things up a notch. It records 5K Ultra HD video and shoots 80 megapixel photos with fast autofocus that locks on from about 4 inches to 6.5 feet away. It supports Wi-Fi for instant photo sharing, and the 3-inch 270-degree flip screen is great for selfies and vlogging. The rechargeable battery gives you over 120 minutes of continuous recording. The kit includes a 32GB card, lens hood, lens cap, strap, charging cable, and a carrying pouch. A solid pick for beginners who want to level up. Pros: high resolution for the price, Wi-Fi sharing, strong battery life. Cons: the 5K marketing number outpaces actual sensor quality, since it's digitally upscaled rather than a true 5K sensor. Camera 2, 5K digital camera, 75 megapixel Wi-Fi vlogging. A similar model with a stronger vlogging focus. It records 5K video and 75 megapixel photos, adds a built-in flash for low-light shots, and has 18x digital zoom controlled by a TW button. The 180-degree flip screen is great for selfies, and a 360-degree dial makes switching between photo, video, and slow-motion modes effortless. It supports Wi-Fi and doubles as a webcam for live streaming or video calls. It comes with a 64GB card and 2 batteries, a solid choice for beginner content creators building a YouTube app. Pros: built-in flash, great selfie screen, generous 64GB storage. Cons: again, the 5K label is more marketing than a true high-resolution sensor, and low-light performance is still limited. Camera 1, KODAK PIXPRO FC45. This is the one that changed my mind. KODAK is a name people actually trust in cameras. The FC45 has a real 16-megapixel CMOS sensor and true 4x optical zoom, not digital, through a 27mm wide-angle lens, plus 1080p Full HD video. It runs on 2 standard AA batteries, so you never have to worry about charging. Just swap them and keep shooting. It supports memory cards up to 512GB and has a 2.7-inch LCD screen. Reviewers at Tom's Guide and Digital Camera World praised its daytime image quality and ease of use, though they noted weaker low-light performance and shorter battery life compared to rechargeable options. Pros: true optical zoom, sharper daylight photos, easy AA battery swaps, trusted Kodak name. Cons: no 4K video, and it struggles in dim lighting. And that wraps up all 5 cameras. If you just want a cheap camera to test out or a gift for a kid, go with the Camkory or the JDZ. If you want something built for vlogging with flash and a selfie screen, grab option 4. But if you want something that actually feels like a real camera with true optical zoom and sharper photos, the Kodak PIXPRO FZ45 wins, hands down. Which one are you picking? Drop a comment and let me know. And subscribe so you don't miss the next review.